Hi guys, my name is Damilola. Welcome to Damilola's Kitchen. In today's video, we will be making spaghetti and fish sauce. Let's get started. First, I'm going to blend my peppers. In this bowl, I have onion, tomatoes, and scotch bonnet, and I have bell pepper. I will explain the scotch bonnet. Now, if you don't like your sauce to be too spicy, remove the seed inside and use only just one scotch bonnet. But because in our own household we like spicy, anything spicy, so we use two. I will use two of this scotch bonnet. I will blend it and I will come back to you. Now I will prep my fish. Let's cut the fish. We're using everything in the fish, the head, the tail, everything. Now I've added water into my pot. I will add my fish that I've cut. I will add my salt. I will just add only salt because I will be adding the main ingredient to my sauce. Now I have my water that I will use to make my spaghetti in the pot. So this is my water. I'll be adding salt after my water is boiled. Now I'm going to add my salt to the boiling water. Add salt literally, don't measure it. Don't need of measuring it because you are cooking our spaghetti. Add everything. Then you cover it, let it boil. Now my water has boiled. You see, it boiled vigorously. Then add your pasta like this. Add it and use your spoon to put it inside. You have to stir it so that it won't stick together. You don't need to add vegetable oil or nothing. Just do it as I'm doing it. It will not stick together if you follow this step. Now I will check my fish. This is what is going to happen. Okay. You see, my fish is boiled. I'm going to set it aside and make the sauce. Okay. Now I'm going to add my blended pepper. Let's add our seasoning. This is seasoning powder, the thyme leaf. Add everything. And this is Italian seasoning. use as much as you want it to taste. That's what I like. Mix it together. The reason why I did not add salt now is because my fish have salt, my spaghetti have salt. So don't add salt yet. Let it cook. Go to my fish. Go to my fish. Add my fish. Because it's hot, that's why I'm using fork. You can use your hand if it is cool. Remove the bone that is inside. I'm going to remove the bone. Put it in this. Oh yeah. Now my spaghetti is cooked. I'm going to strain it to my sauce. Now make sure that your fish and the sauce, they marry each other. Let them cook together so they can give you a nice prickly flavor. Now I'm going to add my spaghetti into the pot, the sauce pot. Now mix everything together. Mix it. Now when I strain it, I reserve a little bit of water because this spaghetti doesn't cook enough for me. Maybe you cook it as long as you like. So I'm going to add a little bit of this spaghetti water to it so that it will cook. I have taste for salt. There's no salt, there's no anything. It doesn't. So I'm going to use my measuring spoon to measure my salt because we don't like it to be salty. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of salt to add it to it. Yeah. Then mix it together and let it cook. Make sure it's cooked. Now my spaghetti and fish sauce has cooked. This is it. It smells so good, nice, delicious. Now I need to tell you that you should please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and please turn on the notification bell and comment, like, share, tell everybody you know about Damilola Olaleye's YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless you. See you next time. Bye.